Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how to find the square root of any perfect square. For that, you need to remember the squares of numbers 1 to 10. Here are the squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Here are the steps. Find in between which two number squares the number will come. Upon that, find the possibilities. Find the ones digit by checking the key in the next slide. Here is the key for finding ones digit of the square root. If the square's last digit is 1, then the square root's last digit will be 1 or 9. If it is 4, then 2 or 8. For 9, it is 3 or 7. For 6, it is 4 or 6. For 5, it will be 5 only. Here is an example. Out here I am finding the square root of 3721. It is in between 60 and 70 square. I got this because 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, and if I add 1 0 behind them, then it adds 2 zeros behind the square. So 60 square is 3600 and 70 square is 4900, and 3721 lies in between both of those numbers. The ones digit of the square root is 1 or 9 since we have 1 in the square. So the possibilities are 61 and 69 since the square root should also lie in between the 60 and 70. Check to which number 3721 is closer to 3600 or 4900. That is the square of these two numbers. We find that 3721 is closer to 3600, which is the smaller number. So the square root is also the smaller possibility, which is 61. Here is another example. Over here I am finding the square root of 3364, which lies in between the square of 50, which is 2500, and the square of 60, which is 3600. The ones digit of the square root will be 2 or 8 since we have 4 as the ones digit of the square. So the possibilities of the square root are 52 and 58. Check to which number 3364 is closer to 2500 or 3600. We find that 3364 is closer to 3600, which is the bigger number. So the square root is also the bigger possibility, which is 58. Here is another example. Over here I am finding the square root of 5625, which lies in between the square of 70, which is 4900, and the square of 80, which is 6400. So the ones digit of the square root is 5. Since we have 5 as the ones digit of the square, so the square root will be 75. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.